Welcome back to Art City. My name is Alicia and today I'll be showing you how to make and use these paper fortune tellers, otherwise known as cootie catchers. As you can see, this craft involves using origami to create a structure which you can open and close. Accompanying this are fortunes you can write on the inside. In order to discover your fortune, you will have to follow some steps to play a game, which will be shown at the end of the video. So without further ado, let's get started. The supplies you need for this craft include a sheet of paper, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a ruler, and coloring tools if you wish to decorate your craft. You have the option of using whatever you have available, such as colored pencils, markers, or pens. The first thing we want to do is prep our paper by cutting it into a square shape. I will be folding my paper in half diagonally until the edges touch as so. Then I'll be repeating this step on the other side. Now that I have a perfect X shape, I'll be using my ruler to draw a line from one end of the X to the other to create a straight line. Then, using my scissors, I'll be cutting along this line to create my square. Now that we have folded our square, we can start folding our cootie catcher. First, you want to start by folding your square in half both ways. Then fold each corner into the center as so. Next, flip your paper over and repeat this step. Next, fold your small square in half like so. There will be pockets at the end of each square, and you can fit your fingers inside and pop out your cootie catcher. When you're done, you should be able to open and close it as so. Now that we're done folding the base of our cootie catcher, we can now start writing the fortunes. Firstly, we'll be writing the numbers 1 to 8 on the triangular flaps. Next, on the outside squares, I will be putting 4 different color options. So here I have orange, blue, pink, and purple. I will also go ahead and label my colors. Now for the fun part. You have to decide what fortunes you will be writing. On the very inner part of the paper, which you will see when you lift up the flaps, you can write your fortunes. Make sure to keep the text within the triangle. For your fortunes, you can be as creative as you'd like. You can have a theme, such as places you will live or your favorite food. Today, I'll be making a more general fortune teller. Keep in mind that you will have to write 8 fortunes. On my cootie catcher, I will be writing, without a doubt, don't count on it, most likely, signs point to yes, maybe, my sources say no, you'll be lucky, and ask again later. After you've written the text, you can take this time to decorate the cootie catcher if you'd like. Whenever you're happy with your final piece, you're ready to play with your craft. To play the game, you just have to follow these steps. First, you have to choose a color. I'll be choosing pink. Then spell out pink, P-I-N-K. Now, if you see on the inside, I have the numbers 7, 8, 3, and 4. I will choose one of these numbers, and I'll be choosing number 7. Now I count 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I choose a number again. I'll be choosing 8. And then I open up my craft and see my fortune. It says, signs point to yes. Now, depending on the fortunes you have written, you can also ask a question before you play the game. So for my cootie catcher, I would have asked a yes or no question to be answered. I hope you had a fun time making this craft and have fun playing with your new cootie catcher as well. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!